I'm going to show you exactly how to create a digital Valentine's date invitation using Canva Code. This is perfect if you want to invite someone in a fun, creative, and interactive way instead of just sending a plain message. And you can do this even if you have zero programming experience. No coding skills needed at all. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, start by thinking about how you want the invitation to work. For example, you might want your recipient to play a simple game, and once they win, a celebratory animation appears. After that, a box shows up that asks them to tap to open it. And inside is the big question, will you be my Valentine? Once you have the concept in mind, write down all the details you want to customize. This can include the recipient's name, a short message, the type of game, and the final question or reward you want to show at the end. These details will be used later when generating your interactive invitation. Now head over to your Canva account. On the home page, click on Canva AI. From there, click on the prompt bar, open the Actions category, and select Code to access Canva's coding feature. This is where the magic happens. Paste the prompt, which you can copy from the description box or the comment section, and then add the specific information for your recipient right after it. Once everything is ready, hit enter and Canva will start generating the interactive game or invitation for you. After Canva finishes generating it, test the game to make sure everything works properly. If you want to change anything, like switching the game style, editing the message, or adjusting the final envelope text, you can simply tell Canva to revise it using the same prompt bar. Canva will regenerate the experience based on your changes. When you're happy with the result, click Publish on the top right corner of your screen. This step is optional, but you can add a custom subpath to make it look more casual or less obvious. Once published, your interactive Valentine's invitation can now be accessed publicly. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You've just created a digital Valentine's date invitation using Canva code that's interactive, personalized, and way more memorable than a regular message. If you want more Canva tips, creative ideas, and beginner-friendly tutorials like this, make sure to like, comment, and follow for more easy Canva tricks you can try right away. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.